Welcome learners for the lecture 16 of mathematical method, that is the MSc second year of a semester third. Today we discuss about the convolutional Euler faulting theorem. In this convolutional Euler faulting theorem, we discussing some example of the lecture 15 for getted as a value, that is a f dot g when multiply some constant of this value. Okay, let us go started as a convolutional or a faulting theorem. In this theorem we generally state that how to this value will be getted as a form, that is a function will be generated, that is a value f dot g will be considering of both of the value. Okay, then started to the theorem. Convolutional or a faulting theorem, state and prove that the Fourier transform of a convolutional f and g is the product of a Fourier transform of a function of a xi and function of a xi that will be generated as a value function of a Fourier transform of a xi, and a g function will be getted as a Fourier transform of the value that will be the g xi equals to generated as a value, that is a Fourier transform capital F is generated as a value both of this equation, that is a first capital F generated f to t xi and g will be considered as a g to t xi. Okay, this value will be generated, then getted as a proof of this value. Proof, we know that by definition of a Fourier transform means what is the formula of a Fourier transform, they will be put up in this equation, that is a Fourier transform f of t xi equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t e to the power I xi t dt. Okay, then value of this function put in the equation of this value. Okay, function means a Fourier transform of the function f dot g xi equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of g e to the power I xi t dt. Okay, this is called as the first equation. F of t will be put it as a value f dot g in this equation. Also, by the definition of a convolutional integral, we know that this convolutional integral in a lecture 15 we get it as all of this formula will be generated. Okay, then put up to the form, that is a f dot g equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t minus u gu du. Okay, this is the second equation will be generated in this form. Put second equation in a first equation. Okay, f equals to f dot g xi equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 by integration minus infinity to infinity. This value will be put it up to the equation, that is a 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t minus u gu du e to the power I xi t dt. Okay, this value will be generated then. 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity, same as the other integration minus infinity to infinity f of t minus u gu e to the power I xi t du dt. Both of this combining of the value and this value will be generated in this form. Then by changing the variable of a integral of a order of a integration in a double integration from a t and u to v and w, value will be changed. V equals to consider t minus u, means a dv equals to only as a dt as a form. Okay, and w equals to k will be put it, then dw equals to dv will be w equals to v will be put and dw equals to generated as a dv. Then equation third will be generated to the form become of the equation, that is a function of a Fourier transform f dot g xi equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity integration minus infinity to infinity function of a f of t minus u generated as a v gw e to the power I xi v plus u dw dv. Both of these value will be put in the equation and generated to the form. Then 1 upon square root of a 2 pi 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of v g of w e to the power I xi v e to the power I xi u dw dv. Then w equals to we will be put it in this form. Okay, common this both of this equation of generated to the form, that is a 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of v e to the power I xi v dv. Okay, first equation, v all the function of a v will be getted in the one form and another will be w will be generated, same as the equation will be generated. Then changing vw to t we get as a form that is a 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of v will be generated as a t e to the power I z t dt. Same as this equation will also changes as a w to the v. Then you know that this function is called as a Fourier transform t to xi, and this is a g value will be generated as a Fourier transform will be containing of this value g t xi. This will be generated by the equation first. Okay, hence proof to the value will be given as a Fourier transform function f dot g xi equals to f of xi into g of xi. Okay, this both of this value will be considering as a theorem by the convolutional theorem or a faulting theorem. Its theorem is also called as a convolutional integral also, by getting as a sum of this formula is generated and both of these explaining in the form and separated to the condition to generated function of a f and g. Okay, let us go started as a next topic, that will be the multiple Fourier transform. Multiple Fourier transform, if we have a function of the odd n independent variable generated as a value, that is a natural number will be getting as a value x1 x2 to the xn, each of which range over the whole real axis, we take the Fourier transform of the function, we get as a variable of the x, same as a value will be changes as a variable of the y z both of this function. Then f1 equals to xi1 x2 x3 to the xn equals to f1 function of the value, that is f of x1 x2 xn to the x tends to xi1 of this first function. Second will be uses to the form for using as a value. Then second function as a uses as a value f2 equals to xi1 xi2 xn. Okay, 2 will be uses changes as a value for the x3 will be generated to the xn, if we changes as a value will be generating. Okay, same as the form xn tends to x xi1 and x2 tends to xi2. Okay, same as the x3 will be generated, then function of a Fourier transform x3, then xi value will be generated to the xi3 and x value will be generated to the 4 value of the xn equals to a function of a 3 function x1 x2 xn. x x1 tends to xi1, x2 tends to xi2, x3 tends to xi3. Okay, both of this function in a f1 f2 and f3. What is the form will be generated? If we get it as a xi1 for the function of f1, then x2 will be started, not a x1. Okay, same as a value will be changing to the function. Then by uses of the form and generating to the function for the xn equals to xi I1, I2, I3 to the function of the xin equals to function of a f of n changes to the value x1 to the xn, x1 tends to xi1, x2 tends to xi2 to the xn tends to xin. From equation first and second we get it as a value of a function, that is a f of 2 xi1 xi2 xn to the function will be generated to the value same as the xn tends to this function, Fourier transform will be generated to the value function of a n minus 1 xi1 to the xi n minus 1, this function will be. If we take as a n factor to the xn to the xi n, then value will be changes, that is a x equals to x1 x2 xn and xi equals to xi1 xi2 xi n in this function, and their product will be generated if multiply of the form in addition to the form and multiply x into xi x1 xi1 x2 xi2 plus xn to the xi n. Then nth dimensional Fourier transform generated as a function f of n xi equals to f of n function of a xi, that is a f of x tends to xi on the Fourier transform. This will be getted by the definition of the form, that is a function of a n xi equals to 1 upon square root of a n 2 pi integration en function of a f of x e to the power I z t dx. This will be changes as a form when en denoted as a n times for the erudition space for containing E is called as the erudition space. The Fourier inverse transform of the equation first we get it as a rotated in the form only as changes as a minus 1. Okay, same as a nth power will be generated, that is a function of x equals to 2 pi minus pi by 2 integration en erudition space f of n xi e to the power I xi x dx will be generated. Hence, proof of this is called as a multiple Fourier transform will be generated.